Celebration held at National India Hub in Schaumburg, Illinois, in support of Seva's She program by Seva International Chicago Chapter and India Hub. The Sanitation, Hygiene and Empowerment Project was conceived to provide sanitation and hygiene facilities to girls who belong to the vulnerable section of Indian society. Entertainment, music and loads of family fun defined the Mother's Day celebration held at National India Hub in Schaumburg, Illinois in support of Seva's She program. The event was organized by Seva International Chicago Chapter and India Hub. Kids and elders joined hands not just to mark the occasion, but also to generate funds for the Sanitation, Hygiene and Empowerment Project by Seva, which was conceived to provide sanitation and hygiene facilities to girls who belong to the vulnerable section of Indian society so that they can overcome social and cultural norms of till now accepted practice of open defecation outside of the home. Along with sanitation facilities, the program also focuses on menstrual hygiene and education, empowering women and girl children through skill development workshops.
I got together with Seva like a couple of years back, and then during that process we got to know about She program. She program stands for Sanitation, Hygiene and Empowerment of Girl Children in India. As you pointed out, how difficult it had been for our sisters and to be mothers in future to use those facilities in rural areas. Still today, even though Modi government is doing a fantastic job of building toilets, there are still sometimes issues around maintaining them, making sure the plumbings are working, they are in a good state for our sisters to use it. So Seva works very closely with Gram Panchayat, Sarpanches to make sure they are in a very good state. But to do so, we all need some private fundings as well. So here, on this occasion of Mother's Day, we work with India Hub to enjoy a community-driven Mother's Day, and we got almost 150 participants from the community who joined us. We had a small monetary contribution in that regard, which is going towards, we have a couple of sponsors, big and small business houses who are supporting us.
Within this year, actually, we target minimum 10,000, and this is the first event we are doing. We got a good response, so $7,000 we are we have collected, and more collections still coming. So I mean, 10,000 was a very conservative we started, but we will go beyond that for sure. There is a project actually what we can able to take and help in the rural area in India, where the underprivileged girl don't have such type of facilities. So we are going to just take care of those type of things through the Seva International She initiatives.
Seva believes that a right to sanitation facilities, especially for women and girl children who face several challenges every day, just to attend nature calls in a safe and secure environment is much needed. And therefore, it is committed to providing such toilet facilities in communities, neighborhoods and schools where they are not available, so that both dignity and safety to women and girl children can be ensured.
Happy Mother's Day from Chicago!